Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting that aside now, I'ma feel
Gotta
right.
think about, she got everybody always trying to know how, Sean, Ara, she the baddest and the truest.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back again. So today's video has been proudly sponsored by Celie hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and empty the bag so that I can show you what's inside and what came with the beautiful hair. So the first thing that came was this comb and two eyelashes, very thick eyelashes for that matter, and we also had this little edge comb and headbands. We also had two wig caps. At this point I should start selling the wig caps. And of course, for the very first time, I got a bonnet. This is so beautiful, guys. I tried it last night and it fits really well. So thank you, Celie, for this amazing bonnet. And so let's get to the wig. This box came with the wig itself, really, guys. So it just came with a wig, and the wig is actually 13 by 4 lace front, and it's 180 density, and it's 20 inches. Now that that's out of the way, let me show off and show you the wig. But before that, let me show you, it also came with this manual and instruction of how to take care of the wig, how to wash it, sorry guys, how to wash it, how to do stuff like that. Their Facebook pages, Instagram, how to reach out to them if you want, rather. So you guys can see that this is literally the wig. It's really soft and it's really amazing and really full. So I want to show you guys how to install the whole wig. I actually wanted to just wear it like that, but I decided, let me try and customize it, or let me try and play around with it. At this point, I'm not sure what I want, but let's just try. Let's get straight into it.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right.
So this is me just trying to measure it and make sure that it's actually in the middle before I cut the lace. And ladies and gentlemen, I think this is where I kind of messed up a little bit, because I let my scissor go all the way in. And yeah, I think I might have just gone a little bit too deep, like deeper than it should be. So if I were you guys, as you guys can see, it's a little, just a little bit above, and it shouldn't be like that. So you guys need to be really careful. And this is me trying to like correct it, though I don't think I'm gonna be able to correct it because it was a little too deeper than it should be. But I've done this so many times, guys. You people already know what should be done, so I'm just gonna fast forward it and write everything that I'm doing on the screen, unless I need to explain anything else. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys details of every single thing that I am doing. Okay, so just be attentive and just be careful. Don't make amateur mistakes like I did and cut the lace a little too deep. All you need to do is to follow the natural shape of your head, and the hairline will come out perfect, guys. Perfect. Okay, so let me just do this in fast forward because it's the same step.
We been chillin' off the Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me, not just yet. Told me all about last Friday when she went all crazy. Didn't go to bed till Saturday. I don't wanna go without, so I asked her to stay. Though she broke my heart in a million ways, but I'm putting that aside now. I'ma feel alright now, happy just as long as she's with me. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. When my baby wakes up, all FaceTime every weekend. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't feel right. Hey, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right.
So honestly, this is just me trying to trust the process, cause I just want to customize it, but again, this is not something that I'm good at. So, and I'm just here like, why not? Now again, I changed my mind in the middle and I decided, let me give it some curls. So this is me just trying to curl the hair. And then at this point, again, the math was not mathing because I couldn't tell where should it go. I always like having the first two away from my hair, away from my face, sorry. So that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, let's give it a try.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting.
So honestly, I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. I want to make sure that it's a little bit messy and it doesn't, I don't want it to look like I've done so much on it. I think I messed up with the mousse. I shouldn't have used the mousse on it because now it's getting wet and I didn't want it to look wet. But either way, tell me what you guys think. I think it was really easy working with this hair and playing around. And I told you, this is the hair that I was calling trusting the process, because when I was doing it, I wanted to do so many things at the same time. I was thinking of doing a bun. At the same time, I was thinking of just letting it down. I wanted it wet on. So I hadn't made up my mind, and that's why I ended up with, I think, a little bit of almost everything. And yep. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Would you try this hair? Yes or no?
Difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help. No, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, to let you go. But maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I